This is a review of how to do your works cited for your comic strip. So you're going to start by creating a new doc within this problem solution essay folder. And this time I want you to label it Works Cited Comic, since we already have one document that's titled Works Cited. And remember, to do the Works Cited, you're going to click this Explore tool. And what you're going to type in then is your problem and solutions that you're looking for. So our original was school attendance, problems and solution. And remember that we're going to open them up. This will click open the tab. I read the tab. I find out if I can put more information on my web that we created. If I find information that I add to that web, then we're going to go ahead and go back here and click the the little quotes to put that citation there. And then I'll hit enter, and I'll continue to do the same thing. If I don't use a website, then I don't add the citation.